To buy BROODER token. So this token came under the symbol of BROOD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below and your account and enjoy the benefits. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener, and the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's good. That's when you investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token updates from here. As you can see, this token updates it under this Solana network. Now, if you find your mandate for that, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. So here, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to relax it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy BROOD token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.